How's it going? I'm Gerard from Serial 9. Today we're doing tension rod bushings. This will cover IS200, IS300, Altezza, JZX90, JZX100, JZX110, and even 17 Crown. So yeah, super easy. Let's get to it. All right, for this you're gonna need an impact wrench and a 19, a 17, and a 14 mil socket. If it's stubborn and won't come off with impact, you're gonna need a real big breaker bar. Now that we got these things out, let's go over to the bench. All right, so as you can see, these ones are pretty mangled. There's chunks of rubber sticking out and stuff, and there's just tons of movement. Even stock, there's just a lot of void, and driving down the road, there's a lot of movement. People ask, oh, like I got, weird tire wear on the front after I've had an alignment. So if your tension rod bushings look like this, 100% you're gonna have weird tire wear on the front. So as you're rolling down the road, this is moving all over the place. The toe is changing just constantly. Even just the friction of the road surface will overcome this, really weak bushing. And as it's driving, the toe will be, out from what you set it at the alignment shop. So anyways, we're replacing that with these. These are polyurethane. They're stiffer. They're gonna offer a lot better road feel, less movement under braking. Like as you saw earlier in the video, there's a lot of movement in the wheel well. These are great for performance. They're not too stiff. All the movement of the wheel is gonna go through the damper and it's gonna be controlled properly if you have good coilovers. So anyways, how do we get these out? We use a Sawzall with a pretty gnarly blade. Diablos are the best. So we just simply cut through this bushing shell, relieve the tension on it, and then use our chisel with a hammer and hammer it out. I'll show you how to do that. As you can see, we just slit the sleeve to relieve the pressure, and then it becomes smaller, it pops out really easy. Boom. All right, so now we're ready to put them back in. Normally this would be easy if you have short stroke suspension because the angle is actually correct, but if you have stock suspension, it's like this. So you're gonna need something to twist it into place. That's gonna be a pipe wrench. Coming down a bit too much, so it's just a little.